Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, we're going to take a closer look at the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4 and its expected specs. Apple's budget-friendly iPhone SE line has been a fan favorite for its impressive performance and affordability, and the latest iteration is set to continue that trend. One of the key upgrades expected in the iPhone SE 4 is the display. Rumor has it that Apple will be moving away from the traditional LCD panel and opting for a 6.1-inch OLED display. This will not only provide a more vibrant and vivid viewing experience but also offer deeper blacks and improved contrast ratios. Another significant change is the inclusion of Face ID. The iPhone SE series has traditionally relied on Touch ID for biometric authentication, but the SE 4 is expected to follow the footsteps of its flagship counterparts and incorporate the more advanced Face ID technology. Under the hood, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to be powered by Apple's latest and greatest A18 chip, ensuring lightning-fast performance and efficient power management. Complementing the powerful processor will be 8 GB of RAM, providing a smooth and responsive user experience. In the camera department, the iPhone SE 4 is said to feature a single 48-megapixel rear camera, a significant upgrade from the previous models. This higher-resolution sensor should deliver improved image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to adopt the USB-C port, bringing it in line with the rest of Apple's product lineup. As for the launch timeline, industry rumors suggest that we can expect to see the iPhone SE 4 hit the market in early 2025. The iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a compelling upgrade for those looking for a more affordable entry into the Apple ecosystem. With its expected improvements in display, performance, and camera capabilities, the SE 4 could very well continue the legacy of the iPhone SE series as a budget-friendly powerhouse. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.